Hello guys, I'm about to install a Vance Hines Fuelpak, the FP3, on my 2011 Softail Deluxe 6-pin Vance Hines part number 66005. Find your pin, and on Softail's my year, it's underneath the seat, so I took the seat off before I turned on the camera. Found it. I got excited yesterday. I ordered this product through Amazon, and when I received it, they sent me a 4-pin. They sent me a 66007. Yeah, it was 6-pin. And I was aggravated. I was excited to put it on. So I just went to my Harley dealership. They had one at the warehouse. I got it the next day, which is today. So Amazon's refunding my money. Let's see here. Now I already downloaded. There's an app on your phone that you can download. So I watched and I played with the demo side of it. So let's see here. 6-pin. Just plug it in. Then with this, you have to make sure you have it in the run position before you turn it on. So turn it on. Lights are on. The light is blinking, so it's. Now I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth and connect this thing. Let's see here. BN02, connecting to it. Connected to it. So now I'm going to go to the Fuelpak FP3 app. Click on it. And it will say sometimes a firmware update. They say you just have to update it, install it. And I just hope I have enough room to stick it behind the battery. I already have a triple play from Custom Dynamics. I just already got a lot of junk up here underneath the seat. So. And while we're waiting, I've done a lot of digging up on a lot of reviews on this deal, and it's a lot of great reviews. And if you keep it hooked up, you can look up RPMs, MPGs, engine oil temperature, the ignition, all that stuff. So if you keep it plugged in, you get more benefits from it. But you don't have to keep it plugged in. You can, after the flash, you can take this off and just run it without it. It's already be programmed. So almost there. on to the next one, verifying 2 of 3. Okay, it shows firmware downloaded, so just hit done. There you go. I'm gonna double check my bin. Everything checks out on my bin. So now we'll go do a map lookup. My exhaust manufacturer got Pythons. Now it's asking for the exhaust name, which is Softail Deluxe, and it gives you an option of baffles, quiet baffles, or standard. Mine are the standard baffles. Click that, shows the results. 96 cubic inch. And then you click that arrow to the right, and it has a picture of the Python fishtails, the year 2011, 96, and the map ID. Now you click program bike with this map. Now it says general warning stuff, so making changes to the ECU program, just hit continue, and it's transferring the map. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now it's linking Fuelpak to your bike. It's almost there. sending stock to the server, because it will save your previous mapping, so you'll never lose it. You can go back and forth from new mapping systems to the stock one you had on there. Transferring the map again. Now it's flashing the new map to the bike.